Yeah, man, we back again. CA Pate showing y'all the upgrades on the Ryker. So we got the trick LED underglow light right there. We got this middle light, and we got the light down here, the underglows that go down there. Got 3 sets of lights. Also added some more skin. So added tough skin back here, tough skin right here, added the tough skin down here, a little streak of it right there, added it right here on the hand guards, added a lot of that little tough skin. So originally it was just only right here. Put it right here as well. So that, you know, getting there slowly but surely. Get in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna let y'all hear some of this music right quick. Yeah. Get that music. Yeah. Oh, what y'all think about that? Yeah. Yeah, boy. That thing beat. Let's see what it's doing. Get on up out of here. See how far away we can hear that music, hear them sounds. Edition. Let's get it. Let's get this music, y'all. Yeah. Let's get this music, y'all. Yeah, let's party. Y'all see them lights? Y'all see them sounds? Yeah. Subscribe to the CA Pate channel so y'all can hear this music. Today we're about to find out which one of my bikes is the loudest, which radio system. We're gonna find out which one is the loudest, y'all. Is it the 2019 Spider-Man Special, or is it the 2022 Can Am Ryker Rally? Let's find out right now. Let's first start. We're gonna see. Y'all gonna vote for it. Tell me, is it 2019 or the 2022? Let's hit the 2019. Come on. Sir. It's time to switch over so we can find out, is 2022 the winner? You just heard the 2019. Let's go to the 2022 and see if that's the loudest one. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See if it's the 2022 or was it the 2019 is the loudest. We're gonna hear the 2022 now. You guys gonna vote on it. Which one of my bikes is the loudest? Let's get it. pretty damn loud. Hold on. Alright, stop that. We're gonna have to go back to the 2019 with the same song. That was loud. It was loud. It does have an amp installed down here on the bottom in the back. There is an amp right there, a marine ramp, and those are JL speakers. This is just an MTX sound bar, no amp. So let's go and see in 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all, we're gonna play the same song and we're gonna see if this MTX soundbar can do anything with those JL speakers on the 2022. Same song. Alright. Obviously, we got to give it to the 2022. The sound system on the 2022 is much louder than the system that's on the 2019. Well, I guess we got to the bottom of that mystery real quick. Get in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like loud music. Let me know if you like softer music. Let me know if you listen to rap R&B when you riding, or if you listen to rap while you're riding. Let me know. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, please. Until next time, CA Pate out. Testing out these two sound systems right quick. Let's do the first one. What y'all think about the music on this 2019 Ryker Rally? I'm sorry, 2019 Ryker 900. What do you guys think about the music? Is that loud? Let me think, let me know. Let me know. Or do you think this 2022 is louder? Or is this 2022 louder? Which one is the winner? Which one is the winner?